How to scan apps on Google Play Store. What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily scan apps on Google Play Store. It is a very useful feature that Google has provided to us, which allows you to scan apps and find if there are any malwares or something harmful for your device. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. So the first thing you want to do is open your Play Store, and this should be your home page. Now all you want to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner. It will open up your pop-up menu. Now you just have to tap on Manage App and Device, and on the overview section of your Manage App you just have to tap on this Play Protect. So just tap on it and you will see an option to scan. Right now the default scan has not found any harmful apps, so let's just scan again. And once the scan is complete, it will show you if there are any harmful apps for your device, and if it shows you that, you can uninstall the app to protect your device. This is a really helpful feature. I hope you found this helpful as well, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.